สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make ไก่ย่าง which is Thai grilled chicken. This recipe guarantees juicy, flavorful chicken. I highly recommend you to pair it with Nam Jim Jaew, which is a Thai style dipping sauce. For today's video, we'll be using a convection oven. Full quantity details will be listed down below. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. All of these are for the marination. We will be pounding these three together, and they are garlic, coriander roots, or you can also do coriander stems, black peppercorn, and the rest are palm sugar syrup, milk, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, and lastly, vegetable oil. Let's prepare our whole chicken. First and foremost, we need to clean it and cut it in half. Flip and push it downwards so that it can lay flat. Now, let's pound the three ingredients together. I recommend you to use a pestle and mortar to pound them together because we need the end result to be really fine. But alternatively, you can just use a blender. And this is what we will get, a fine mixture. Now that we have this, we are going to start to marinate our chicken by adding all of the seasoning ingredients to the chicken. Start off with palm sugar syrup, which is basically dissolved palm sugar that I keep in the fridge. It's really convenient to use for like a time like this. And lastly, the mixture that we pounded. We're going to combine everything together. I recommend you to marinate this overnight, covered in the fridge, or for a minimum of 2 hours. We are going to massage the chicken with the marinade well to cover all of the surface area. Make sure it covers all of the surface. For today, I'm just going to marinate this for 2 hours. Time is up and it's been 2 hours. We're going to repeat the step by massaging the chicken with the marinade. This is to ensure that our chicken is really flavorful. So take your time and rub it well. Another very important step is to drizzle vegetable oil all over our chicken and rub it in. This is to make sure that the skin does not dry out. When you have done that, transfer the chicken to the oven. We are going to let this cook at 175 Celsius for 25 minutes on the first side. Once the time is up, flip the chicken and brush it with the marinade from earlier. We are going to let this cook again at 175 Celsius for another 20 minutes. While waiting for the chicken, let's make the dipping sauce. Nam Jim Jaew tastes sweet and spicy. I have made a separate video and the link to that will be down below, or you can tap on the pop-up at the end of this video. After 20 minutes, the time is up. You may carve the chicken and it's ready to be served. And this is juicy, tender, fragrant ไก่ย่าง Thai grilled chicken is usually served with sticky rice. I have also made a video on that. If you're interested, you can tap on the screen right now. I hope you give this drool-worthy Thai grilled chicken recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.